Hello friends, let us start today's analysis. Today is 11th September 2024. What we do usually, we mark PDH and PDL. So yesterday's PDH is here and PDL is here. This CPR can also be treated as virgin CPR today. Although little wicks are inside the CPR, but there was no candle body inside the CPR, so this can be treated as virgin CPR. People call it partial virgin CPR and it can be treated as CPR. So we should aim for any trade which is virgin CPR reversal kind of trade. Anything comes near to this and goes up, and that should happen within first half of the day. So when we do this, you might have seen this black line also. This black line is it is called as turning point. Turning point in the sense this high was broken and then it did not come below this point, so this is a turning point. And let us start today's from the first candle. First candle, if you see, it is not properly bearish candle and it is within the CPR. It opened here little bit above the CPR and it closed inside the CPR. So, and the CPR is kind of narrow CPR. So narrow CPR usually means trending day or zigzag day. So this first candle, there is no trade. Whenever the candle closes within CPR, there is no trade. First candle should exit the CPR. Like if it is starting from top, it should at least close below, then it is CPR breakout trade. Or if it is opening within CPR, it should either close above CPR or below CPR. Then it can be treated as PPT, like pivot pressure point trade it is called. So CPR breakout trade. Then second candle has broken the CPR and it has broken the first candle low also. In such cases people can go short here, but as I usually say that if the second candle breaks the first candle low or high, that's a low probability. If the third candle breaks the first candle low or high, that's the high probability, because this can be treated as little bit the parabolic or unidirectional. The second candle has broken the first candle low and has broken the CPR also, but still people can take the trade here, keep the stop loss above and target at CPR. This trade would have hit your stop loss, but with experience you will know that second candle, even if it breaks first candle high or low, you should not take the trade, because it is unidirectional. It's like a parabolic. At least second candle should try to hold one of the level, like bottom or top. Then if the third candle breaks that level, then you can go short or long. So this is just to remember to avoid such trades. But even if you have taken the trade, your stop loss should be here and the stop loss will be hit by this candle. So that's it here. And then if you see this candle, the fourth candle, 930 candle, has given the false breakout from this line also, from the first candle also, but it falls within CPR. So there is no trade, because CPR is a resistance for this candle. And this candle has broken the top and the CPR as well. But what happened here, just observe. This is first of all narrow CPR. Narrow CPR is a weak CPR, and if the CPR is broken from one side and then again it breaks from other side, then it becomes weak. Whenever any support or resistance breaks once, that is high probability, but if it breaks twice, then that the more the number of times that support or resistance is broken, it becomes weaker and weaker. So first it became weaker here, then second time it became weaker here. So this becomes like no longer the big support or resistance. So the importance of CPR is not there today, because it is already broken downside and top side also. There is no trade on this. then rest of the day, if you see, there is no trade because it is kind of sideways day. It wasn't trending day, so there is no 20 EMA trade, and nothing is closed above the PDH, so there is no trade. This is within the range only. And if you see here, this candle, okay, this candle, yeah, from this low, like usually the first two candles are red and then it reverses from here, and any candle comes back to this point, then it can be treated as W pattern. So here it did not reversed, it did not, this green candle did not close above this point, so this is not a candidate for W pattern. Now here you can go for a trade because this has broken day's low. You see, this is 2 o'clock candle, this has broken the day's low, okay, but again this is a parabolic, like back to back red candles, and if you want to go short, then have a small stop loss. You can enter here and put your stop loss above this line or the turning point line. See how nicely market behaves at important levels. This candle could not close above this line, and this candle exactly took resistance from this line, so then twice the reward. But in this case your stop loss should be small here, somewhere here. If you keep above this, then this virgin CPR comes on the way to your target, so this is a big support. Since the market is above this, so this will become a support. Now okay, that's it. This green candle is taking good support and bouncing back from virgin CPR, and this is a perfect setup for virgin CPR reversal. But today it is not, because it falls at the late afternoon. Whenever virgin CPR happens, it should happen within the first half of the day, or around before 1 o'clock, then it becomes a high probability. Late afternoon, it's a low probability, although it give you like break even trade, but still you should follow certain parameters and rules. So that's it guys, thank you. Bye bye, take care.